In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Vercel 404 not found error. If your deployed site is showing 404 not found, the most common cause is that Vercel is building the wrong folder or can't find your app's entry point. We'll fix that by creating a clean deployment and making sure the correct root directory is selected. Start by heading to vercel.com in your browser. Once you're on the dashboard, open the projects area. This is where all your deployments live, and it's the best place to start when you want to verify or recreate a deployment that's throwing a 404. Next, choose Add New, then select Project. This begins the guided flow to import your code. You'll land on the Import Git repository screen. Here, connect your code host by continuing with GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Authorize access if prompted so Vercel can list your repositories. From the list, pick the repository you want to deploy and click Import. Vercel will scan the repo and try to detect your framework and settings. On the configuration page, look for root directory and click Edit. This is the key step that often resolves 404 errors. If your repository is a monorepo or your app is not at the top level, select the exact folder that contains your application. For example, if your Next.js app lives in apps/web or packages site, point the root directory to that folder instead of the repository root. Selecting the correct directory ensures Vercel runs the right build command and outputs the site to the right place. When you're confident the root directory is correct, click Continue. You'll see a summary of what Vercel plans to do, including the detected framework and build settings. If the framework is detected correctly, that's a good sign you chose the right folder. Finally, click Deploy. Vercel will build and deploy your project, showing live logs as it goes. When it finishes, open the deployment URL and you should see your site instead of a 404. If you still encounter a 404, double check that the directory you selected actually contains your app's entry files. For example, a Next.js app should have a pages or app directory within the chosen folder, and static sites should have an index YAML in that location. In most cases, simply correcting the root directory during import resolves the error. That's it. By importing your project and carefully setting the root directory before deploying, you can eliminate the Vercel 404 not found error and get your site live